Good morning. I am about to start the day by going to ballet class. It's actually a little bit chilly outside, so I think I might need a jacket. I actually missed all of last week's classes, so I haven't been in a while, and I'm kind of scared because I can feel that my legs are so stiff right now. I spent the whole morning cleaning the house and now it's 10 a.m. I've been trying to wake up earlier to get my day started earlier. So I tried to wake up at 7 today, but I kind of failed and woke up at 7:30, which is funny because when I used to have an office job, I used to wake up at 6:30 and leave the house at 7:30 in the morning. I'm trying to bring that rhythm back into my life. Ever since I left my 9 to 5, I feel like my personal hobby life and my work life has been all jumbled up, and my days have completely lost structure, and I feel like I am having trouble controlling and managing my time. So I'm trying to bring back a little bit of structure, even if it's very loose and flexible. I want to spend the mornings and afternoons doing chores and locking in and getting work done so that I can spend the evenings as my free time doing my hobbies. I'm currently working on launching a small business. We're launching in less than 2 weeks, so there is a lot to get done, but it's also so exciting. Today on my to-do list, I have working on social media contents, ordering some samples, and I need to start designing something for packaging. Let's see how much I can get done before lunchtime. It is now a little past 12, so 2 hours passed, and I actually got quite a lot of work done. I did the social media content thing and also ordered a sample. I'm going to take a little lunch break now. I'm going to have kimchi fried rice and miyoko. I'm also really craving something sweet, so I'm going to go to the convenience store to get some snacks. It's almost 5 p.m. right now and I finished everything I planned to do today. Now I'm going to spend the rest of the day doing whatever I want. Today was the first day of trying to build a structured routine in my life, and so far it feels so good.
I hated that movie. Was it true? Were women in New York really giving up on love and throttling up on power? What a tempting thought.
있어? 스타일한 스타. 좀 달달한 거 하나 해야 되지 않을까?
예.